You are now 74 years old.
Young.
74 years young.
Yes. Balik na lang natin.
Okay.
Balik na natin. Ano na lang? 47.
Nas-
To be exact, di
Do
ba?
you still feel young?
I feel young at heart, very much. I'm very mobile. I do stretching in the morning. I walk in the village every day. And I go to the office every day and do a lot of business.
Ano ang sikreto ni Ricky Reyes?
Tame life. I sleep early at night at 9 o'clock to 9:30 is the latest. Pag 10 o'clock, groggy na ako nun. I straight ang tulog ko 10 to 11 hours every night. No bad thoughts, no evil thoughts, walang inggit, walang galit, no nothing. Clear heart. You know? Yun lang sinasabi ko eh. Maging maayos lang ang pananaw mo sa buhay. Lahat dadating na maayos.
You've lived a very full life.
Very full.
Rags to riches story.
As in Cinderella. Nakakatuwa, di ba? Nakakatuwa. Sometimes, you know, life gives you something that you don't even expect. But because you have been kind to the world.
Nagsimula ka bilang tagawalis sa
Sweeper.
salon.
Yes. Tagawalis sa isang maliit na parlor sa Project 8. Up to now, I remember the place. And, you know, ako Karen, kasi in everything I do, lahat ng pinanggalingan ko, hindi ko binabalikan. I always look forward on something new. I always move forward to something better. Laging ganun lang. Wala akong mga emotional attachments, material things, at wala akong ganyan. Sabi kasi itong bahay ko, pang 14 na to eh. Every 6 8 years, lilipat ako.